$600 trading loss. Let's talk about it. Hey guys, and welcome to Douglas on Trading. Got some very bad news this week. On Thursday, I completely flipped my lid and lost $600. I'd been doing so well coming back from the hole that I'd put myself in. If you've been watching some of my real trading results videos, I'm in a funded challenge with Earn to Trade. I had started out the challenge brutally, just absolutely tried to blow up my account in one day. But ever since then, things have been going good. I've been climbing my way back up. I was just about at break even and ready to go beyond and make some money. But then Thursday, I pretty much broke all of my rules, reverted back to being a baby trader, and made every mistake that you could make in the matter of about 30 minutes. Okay? And so basically what happened was, normally I am done trading well early in the day. I mean, I have a real job. I've got things that I have to do, so I can't even trade long if I want to. But for the most part, earlier in the day is where the best action is going to be. I like being done before 11. I like being done before 10. We're talking Central Time. Market opens at 8:30 Central Time for me. In fact, I like being done at 9 Central Time. If I can find an early trade, like after the market opens, if I find a good trade, I hit that trade, then I'm done. Then I got to go to real life. All right, so that's what I like to do. But Thursday was a different kind of day. I didn't need to go into the office, and so I thought I'd pop up onto the old trading account. But I didn't. I had stuff to do early in the morning, which is why I was free later in the day. So I didn't even start trading till about 12:30 Central Time. All right, the market is different at that point in time. It's typically much slower, a lot less action depending on the day, but that's typical, is a lot less action. And I just wasn't prepared for that. I wasn't in the right mental state. I didn't have the patience. I didn't want to wait on trades. I would show you the order flow that I traded, but there really wasn't anything to show. I was just being a cowboy, basically. I was just taking trades, kind of hoping they would work out. Of course, at the time, I was tricking myself into thinking that I wasn't doing that. And that's what I mean about like baby trading, reverting back to your early days of trading when you just shot from the hip and you didn't really wait. You have to have that patience to wait for those great setups. The last video I made, the very last video I made was called Order Flow No-Brainers. Well, this last day, Thursday, was really, I didn't have the brain that day, right? There were no-brainer trades. The no-brainer was not taking any of those trades to begin with, okay? So let's look at the chart here. I'll put it up, and basically you'll see what I've done. In a matter of about 30 minutes, I took like 3 or 4 trades. Now it looks like a mess here because I took them all in such a short period of time. All I did was get whipsawed back and forth. It's really kind of pathetic. It's unbecoming of somebody that's been trading for as long as I have. But we all make psychological errors. We all make mental errors. So basically what would happen is I got caught in this tight range, and I was just taking longs at the high of this tight range and then taking shorts at the bottom of this tight range. I just kept flipping back and forth, like feeling like I was going to FOMO, like it was going to break out at any point in time, and that's when I was going to miss the big move. And instead all I did was just keep handing over money. And at $600, I said, I have to stop. I'm a madman right now. I can't give up any more money or I'll lose my account. So that's what I did. And the biggest problem of this is not that I had a bad day. Everybody's going to have a bad day trading. The biggest problem is that I ignored all of my rules. I let all of my discipline out the window. And so that carried over into Friday. Now, Friday had some beautiful early morning order flow trades. Absolutely beautiful. They were in that no-brainer zone. And again, no-brainer means I have to take the trade, not that the trade's guaranteed, because no trade is guaranteed, right? It just means that it's such a good setup, I have to take the trade because the probabilities are most likely in my favor. But I was so wrecked, so mentally wrecked from what I did Thursday, that I just let all those trades go. Like I felt like I needed a day just to watch again. And that's what I did. I just watched. And it was a massive day. If I had taken any one of there was 2 or 3 early in the morning that I could have got 5 points, 10 points. I mean, it was like ridiculous the amount of easy money that was on the table on Friday. But I had to recover. It's what you got to do sometimes. Hopefully that recovery will carry over into the week or the following week. But I've got a major vacation coming up and the holidays and all that. So trading in general is going to start slowing down, especially around the Christmas holidays until like after New Year's. And so I don't know how much trading I'm going to be doing coming up. I'm still going to be making videos and I'm still going to be taking trades. But then at like Christmas Day, I'm going to be gone on vacation for like 16 days. And there will be 0 trading in that time. That'll actually be a good thing. Everybody needs to step away. So this is actually the perfect time that vacation's coming up. All right, we're going to end the video here with my current account balance. And basically what you'll see is I'm very close to losing this funded account. So if it hits a $48,000 balance, then I've hit my drawdown limit. They give you 50,000 kind of sim dollars to trade with, but you have a $2,000 drawdown. So if it hits 48,000, then the account is pulled. Okay, so I've got to fight my way back out of that. And I've got a long way to go now just because of one dumb day. That's it. That's really what kills traders too. If you can eliminate these kind of mental errors as much as you possibly can, everybody's going to make mental errors, but if you can eliminate these disastrous, it's almost idiotic kind of days where you don't follow any of your rules or any of your strategies, like it's not about the market tricking you, it was about you tricking you. You know, it's one thing to have the market go against you, but it's another thing to have yourself go against you. That's the big problem. That's when you'll really blow your accounts, and that's what I am currently dealing with. So thanks for watching. I'm going to put up a couple more of my videos here so you can follow along on what we've been doing in the past. So please watch those. I'd greatly appreciate it. And as always, if you enjoy these videos, subscribe below, because that's the only way that I'll be able to make more videos. All right, guys, happy trading. Thanks again.